about this, my beautiful people? So this recipe is dolma. These are the spices that I used: red onions, ground beef, simnak. I'm probably saying that wrong. Chopped up parsley, chopped up onions, chopped up green peppers. So you want to boil the onions, peel it off and boil it, and you also want to boil the cabbage, because we're making Kurdish dolma. My cousin-in-law came, Nube, with her husband and her beautiful daughter Sarah, and she made this while I was at work. I'm very thankful. So as you can see here, the onions, you want to peel. Once it's been boiled, you're gonna peel it because you're gonna use the layers of onion to make dolma. Dolma pretty much is like filled veggies. You could use any type of vegetable that you could be filled in, which I didn't know that. I thought you could only make dolma with cabbage, but she showed me that you can make it with anything. So here we're making the filling. So you're gonna add the rice. The Kurdish way to do it is everything is not cooked, and then you're gonna add tomato paste. You're gonna add your ground beef. There she's adding the chopped up parsley. You're gonna add your chopped up onions, and this is how you make the filling for the mixture. All your spices, which is onion, salt, pepper, simnak. There's the ground beef, and you're gonna mix this all together by hand. Also chopped up tomatoes. It was awesome to have them visit. I learned so much about Kurdish history, Kurdish culture, Kurdish food. She not only made this, but we also had a barbecue on the beach, and she seasoned the meat like with the Kurdish way. This is how the mixture came out. And there she's filling in the veggies. That's actually peppers, which I didn't know that you could also do it with peppers. And you're gonna fill this in, and then you're gonna steam it or boil it however you want. I was so excited to eat this because we always go to eat at a Turkish restaurant here called Marash, and Farhad always orders this, and I don't like the way they make it, but this one, the way Nuben made it, was amazing. So there, you in a big pot, you add all the peppers, and that way it's gonna cook by steam and water. There she's filling in the onions. Beautiful people, you have to try this recipe. And the great thing about this is that it's all in one. For instance, you have your carbohydrates, you have your meat, and your vegetable all in one piece of food. So you don't have to make like separate things. You put all of this in the center of the table. So there she's making it the traditional way, which is wrapped up cabbage, and you fill it in, and you're gonna add this. You see there, she put in everything, the onion, the peppers, and the wrapped cabbage. You cover it with a plate, and you let it steam for like 30 to 40 minutes, and this is the end result. Beautiful people, this was delicious. I hope you guys like it. Please feel free to like and subscribe, leave any comments down below. And I want to give a special thanks to Nube, because in reality she made this recipe. I will be trying to do this myself in the future. Let's see how it works out. Bye, beautiful people.